जब 2019 में हमने चालू किया था साउथ स्टेट, तो उस समय वो सिर्फ एक टेबल पे था, एक ब्रोशर था. बट अगेन टुडे इफ यू सी, वी आर ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द डिलीवरिंग ऑफ फेज 1, जिसमें ओसी वी हैव ऑलरेडी अप्लाइड, एंड टुडे यू कैन सी दैट व्हाटएवर वी हैव प्रॉमिस्ड, व्हाटएवर वी हैव सेड, we are delivering that. And probably that's one of the reason that clients who have visited 2.5 years back, now they are coming up and now they are taking their final call. And I will assure you, once this project is delivered, which is phase 1 and phase 2, it will be the landmark in NCR and it will be the address to talk about. Location. I believe this is the only location जहां से आपको कहीं पे भी जाना हो, you talk about south, east, central, existing airport and the new airport which is coming up in Jewar. Everything is equidistance. Both the airports, even today, it will not take more than 45 minutes. And if you talk about South Delhi or Central Delhi, it will not take you more than 10, 15, 20 minutes. 5-tier security. This is one of the major pillars जिसकी क्लाइंट को हम केटर करते हैं. If you talk about the problem of for today, about the target customer which we offer to is the security. आज भी लोग अपने घर के बाहर घूम नहीं पाते हैं until and unless they are living in a condominium. So over here you have a 5-tier security. That means from the time you enter into the gate to your unit level, everything is automated and everything is in a controlled environment. दिल्ली में लोगों की 3 प्रॉब्लम है. पहली है पोल्यूशन, दूसरी है पार्किंग और तीसरी है शायद पार्क या ग्रीन स्पेसेस. साउथ स्टेट में ये जो तीनों पेन पॉइंट्स हैं, we have covered that. In this whole project, we have 26 air filters, which will assure you that the AQI within the project will not go above 100. The same thing you have within your unit level. We are giving you CTFA, which is centrally treated fresh air. Lobby, you have a double-heighted lobby. आज जो हमारा experience center है, which is T2, you have a double-heighted lobby, and that will actually give you the glimpse what kind of a delivery for the product which we intend to deliver. That's the MLP of South State. Recently, last year, we have launched Prima, जहाँ पे 1 BHKs are completely sold out. और शायद आप लोग में से काफी लोग हैं जो 1 BHK के बाद में checks आए, but unfortunately it got sold out. Now we still have some units left for a 2 BHK. So I would recommend and I would say you can start working on that before अगली presentation में हम ये करें 2 BHKs are all sold out. So it's an opportunity for each and every one of you to take advantage of the lower ticket size which we have for 2 BHK. You have a complete privacy within the project, from your landscaping, to your lobby level, to your clubhouse, to your actual lobby, wherever you go. You have a clubhouse which is of 3-story and it's a 30,000 square feet of clubhouse which will have everything. You name it and you have it. We have a tie-up with 3 international brands. Your club and your spa will be completely managed by L. Then you have a concierge which is by Quint essentially. That means anything and everything is just a call away for you. Whatever you need, they are the ones who will provide you day and night, regardless of the day or regardless of the time. Then you have a gym which is completely managed and maintained by the Mona Braganza. Now, can I have the AV please? So guys, coming to the most important, I believe, parameter or the VPs, जो last year में, the reason why we have sold 500 plus crores at GST was, I mean, the main reason behind that was the specification which we have offered to our client. And that's one of the reasons that we had 100 plus clients who have accepted and who have booked and who have given us a business of 500 plus crores. So the first specification is of the flooring, which we are giving of a Crema Marfil. It's an Italian brand which we are giving you. So a complete house, or your living and dining will be done with Crema. We are giving you ACs, which is BRV. Your kitchen will be complete modular kitchen with hob and chimney. You will have complete accessories of your washrooms, including the cubicles, sanitary, and the other detailing part of it. Hardwood flooring in all your bedrooms. Wardrobes, walk-in closets everywhere where we are giving. Premium kitchen appliances, this will be of Bosch. So your kitchen will be completely done up from Godrej, and that too with the reputed brands which we are offering. Now, over to Himanish.